This tutorial will show you how to check who checked your profile on TikTok online social media platform completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, the first step to see how to check who has visited my or your TikTok profile is to click on TikTok. In this case, I'm using iPhone, but this also works for Android. And now basically, once the TikTok app has been opened up and loaded, go to the bottom right hand screen and click on Profile next to Inbox. And once your profile has been opened up and loaded, you want to go to the top right hand screen over here and click these three icons right here. And then basically, you want to go to the fourth option, which says Settings and Privacy. Now basically, if we scroll down, there's a list of different options, but if you go all the way down to the bottom, we can currently see here. Now if you were to scroll all the way back up to the top, you want to click the second option, which says Privacy. If we scroll down to the very bottom, a list of different options, but in this case we have Profile Views and Post Views. Click Profile Views, which is above Blocked Accounts, and as you can see, Profile Views is currently enabled because it's color blue. This will basically, you'll be able to see who's viewed your profile in the past 30 days. Now we're going to go back to see if this works. And now basically on our TikTok profile, we can even scroll down to refresh our page. Now basically, boom, we have this icon, the shoe icon right here. And if we click on this, we can now see who has viewed our profile in the past 30 days online for TikTok completely for free.